Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to go and sort out a couple of bits on the Audi. Let's hit the intro. So there's two bits on the car that I need to get sorted out today that have really been bugging me. The first one is this front splitter. Look at the state of that. I've just glued it back together, just slapdash. I need to get around to sorting it out, so I'm going to do that in this video. And the second thing we're going to sort out today is this exhaust. It used to be chrome, it's black. So I'm going to try and clean it up now and get that looking a lot better. So first of all I'm going to give the area a little clean, just so I can see. I'm just using some G3 detailer just to give it a little bit of a clean, just to get any dirt out of the way of that section. Like that. Where's the knife? So now I'm just going to take this knife just to get any of the excess glue out the way. Just pull that all off like that. That bit's pretty good, so I'll probably leave that bit there. Let's just do that as well. So well, that's so high. So that bit's a little bit high there where it's been rubbing, so I need to sort that out. So what I'll get this just to get it to the same level. Just give that another quick clean. White. Like that. Let me just start getting rid of some of this excess glue that I've got all over it, just to clean it all up before we glue it all again. Now I'm just going to use some Gorilla epoxy now, just to glue those bits back together now. Get the lid off. So we'll come back out in the morning now, and we'll carry on with the front splitter and get that all perfect and looking good. Give that a sand down, a bit of paint and polish, and get that looking good as new as well. Right, so now let's try and make this look back to chrome, how it should look. I really let it go. So let's have a go at trying to clean this up. Use a bit of this now just to give it a little final polish. So I think that looks a lot better than what it did when we first came out. So it's been a couple of days now, just to let it all harden off. And this is what we've got left with at the moment, so now we need to try and make this good. As you can see, it's solid. That's what we wanted. What we do is give it a little clean up again. Like that. Then back on with the sandpaper, just to get any of the excess glue out of the way. Just give that a wipe and see how that's coming along. So it's getting there, you can see the glue starting to come off. That's what we're after. Want all that all to come off now. Just give it a little wipe again. So we're left with that. And now what we'll do is we'll put some paint on it. Just put some gloss black touch up on it now. So what we'll do now is we'll leave that to dry for a couple of hours, probably leave that overnight, and come and sand that down again and then buff it all up, and it should be as good as new. Well, as close as new as I can get it. So I've left it overnight now. It's looking pretty good. So just clean all this off. Like that. Just use a bit of 1200 wet and dry. It just helps when you come to polish it, and just flattens the paint down a little bit. Then what I like to use, the Meguiar's Plastic XR. It's a plastic polish. It does buff this back up to gloss black. go, it's looking a lot better than what it did. Just got to carry on polishing it out to get any of the imperfections and bring the brightness back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to help support the channel. I'll see you in the next one.